Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. And I've got with me the Samsung ItFit 103B. Now many people have purchased the ItFit BE7 and have complained of microphone issues, connectivity issues, along with audio lag, which I have mentioned in my review, and some issues I experienced after 1 month of usage. And they've asked me which is the better ItFit instead, the 103B or the BE7. So I thought I should buy the 103B myself and let you know. So let's get to the unboxing first. Well, on the box it says 10mm of drivers and 5 hours of audio playback. And yeah, this is made in China, just to inform you all. So that is completely on you to decide. I have already done the unboxing before and I'm using these for almost a week, but I'm just doing it again for you guys. So inside the box you get a micro USB cable, an instruction manual, which I think you should go through at least once to get to know something. And these are the ItFit 103B, neatly packed, and inside the slot you get some ear tips to choose from. This even comes with magnetic tips, but they don't power on or off the earphones. To power on the device, you have to just hold the multifunction button for a few seconds until you see the blinking lights. But I recommend you to charge them before you start using these earphones. So in terms of the build quality, no major complaints. I won't be too harsh because of the price point. It has a decent rubberized matte finish with buttons that are easily accessible and microphone on one side and the Samsung ItFit branding on the opposite side. There is no mention of an IP rating on the box, which means you can't use them in extreme conditions. The wire looks very flimsy and they are not tangle free, due to which they look very messed up when they are left unused. The shape of the ear tips are not according to my liking. In fact, I like those where the tips are on the extreme side, as seen in earphones like the Oppo Enco M31, and these give a better fit to your ears as well. With these you could feel irritation in your ears after long hours of usage. In terms of sound quality, I never had any high expectations. This has 10mm of drivers, which is great, but the bass on this is average, and due to the bad fitting you might not have the best sound experience. And to top it all, this comes with Bluetooth 4.2, which means a slower audio transfer rate. But the highs and lows are decent and you'll get clear vocals if you're watching movies or YouTube videos. Talking about the latency on these, I can tell you that you won't notice any lag while watching movies or YouTube videos. But while playing games like Call of Duty and PUBG, you might face a slight audio lag, which is not noticeable though. And due to highs being very strong, everything could sound very screechy while gaming with these earphones. The microphone on these is something that I appreciate in comparison to the BE7 that had very bad call quality. I've made a lot of phone calls using these and I've got no complaints from the opposite side. You can hear it for yourself. Now this audio that you're going to listen to is recorded by the person on the opposite side.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie, and this is the call quality of the Samsung ItFit 103B.
Now the battery life on the 103B is a disappointment. On paper it says 5 hours and I have got around 4.5 hours of usage with a charging time of nearly 2 hours. If you use these earphones only for phone calls, then you could get more than a day of usage. This should have had at least 7 to 8 hours of battery considering the price point. In fact, there are many truly wireless earphones out there that are almost reaching the 5-hour playback in a single usage. Now apart from the drawbacks that I mentioned, I must tell you that the ItFit 103B is a better option than the BE7. Although the sound quality is not that great, but the call quality definitely is. And you can use them if you are on a tight budget of under 1000, and in terms of gaming you can definitely consider them, but you might experience some audio lag issues after a month of usage as seen on most budget earphones. And yeah, if you want these earphones, then buy these only from the Reliance Digital store and not from the Samsung website. So my overall rating for the Samsung ItFit 103B would be 3.5 out of 5. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates about my new videos. Stay safe, take care of yourself guys. Till then, see you next time.